श्रीविद्यां जगतां धात्रीं सर्गस्थितिलयेश्वरीं नमामि ललितां नित्यां महात्रिपुरसुन्दरीं। ॐ श्रीमात्रे नमः। ॐ श्री शिवशक्त्यैक्यरूपिण्यै नमः। ॐ श्री ललिताम्बिकायै नमः. Embodiment of Divine Souls, Amma's most beloved sweet children, Amma's special motherly love to all of you on this auspicious occasion, first day Navaratri. Every day whenever we meditate, merge in that supreme light, every day is Navaratri. But suppose when we never do proper sadhanas, all the time mind is running in the mundane life, we need to do some special days, particularly special sadhanas. That 9 days special sadhanas time is Navaratri time. Doing puja every day to Divine Mother in Navaratri time is a great tapas. Any penances are nothing in front of that tapas of Divine Mother, Navaratri puja. Countless lifetimes merits allow us to do puja to the Divine Mother in Navaratri time. Adi Shankaracharya mentioned in the Saundarya Lahari, Pranantum stotum va khadam akruta punyah prabhavati. Extremely beautiful word. Shankaracharya, Jagadguru, so that's why he know how to praise Divine Mother. What here in the Sanatan Dharma, 33 crores of devatas says, Mother, Divine Mother, we have not that much efficiency to praise your divine glory. Pranantum va, stotum va, khadam akruta punyaha. If I have not any merits in my other lifetimes, it is impossible to think about yourself, to do seva to your divine lotus feet, to meditate Divine Mother. All the merits allow us to do the puja to the Divine Mother in Navaratri time. Every regular times also, any Friday, if it is Trayodasi comes, 13th day before the full moon, when people do the puja, what the scriptures are mentioned about that people, nobody is not equal to these people. They are most fortunate people in the universe. By doing the puja on the 13th day to the Divine Mother, Sri Chakram. Sri Chakram. What is Sri Chakram? Sri Chakram is the abode of Divine Mother. All the Navaratri pujas we have to do for Sri Chakram only, children. All the puja, your mantra japam, your sadhana, preserve in the Sri Chakram. Sri Chakram is the absolute consciousness. The vibrations are very powerful. Wherever we place Sri Chakram, the divine cosmic vibrations are enveloping that entire area. It enters into your body from the toe to the Sahasrara Chakra. All the chakras within ourselves purified by the vibrations of the Sri Chakram. Especially in Navaratri time, more powerful vibrations in the Sri Chakram. When we do Sri Chakra Puja in the new moon time, especially Khadgamala Puja, Lalita Sahasnamam Flowers Puja, or Lalitambika Ashtottaram Puja, or Sahasranamam Puja, anything, Khadgamala Puja, when you do the puja to the Sri Chakram with all kinds of the authentic rites of the puja thing like Pancha Puja, Shodasopachara Pujas, Kalpoktariti Pujas, day by day growth comes in the family. All your children, your family members, they never face any hindrances in their life. So many challenges are subside by doing the puja in the new moon time for the Sri Chakram. When we do the puja, Padhyami puja for Sri Chakra is going to give victory in the life. victorious life comes to the people by doing the puja, especially Padyami, the crescent moon comes, that day puja grants the greatest victory in their life. In all walks of their life, they will get victorious life. When they do the puja, especially on the day Vidiyam, unbelievable happiness comes in their life. Unbelievable strength also comes in their life. Before that strength was not in their life, unbelievable Shakti enter into their body, because Sri Chakra Bindu is always charging with the cosmic energy. So that's why in Bharat, all of us believe to do the puja, especially on the Vidya day for the Divine Mother Navaratri times, all the Abhishekams, puja, Kunkumarchana, flowers puja, Durga Sukta Parayanam, Sri Sukta Parayanam, all of you know already these things, no? You know Durga Suktam, you know Medha Suktam, you know all the Sampudita Sri Suktam, you know Devi Khadgamala, everything. So different tidis. Tidis means each day, all the 9 days, what kind of merits we are going to get by doing the puja to the Divine Mother. Tadiya day, Sampad Vruddhi, all the wealths are going to grow more and more, and all your activities are going to be successful by doing the puja on the Tadiya day. And 4th day is the Chaviti day. 4th day after the new moon, Chaviti. Chaviti day, when we do the puja, all kinds of the wealths and also Saukyam, happiness, comfortable life, and all kinds of these problems will subside with the grace of Divine Mother by doing the puja to the Sri Chakram. Panchami day, 5th day, Panchami, Panchabhutesi, Panchasankyopacharini, Saswati, Saswataishwarya, Divine Mother was praising in Lalita Sahasranama. Panchami day, Dhanaprapti Sarvabhaya Rakshana. Dhanaprapti means wealth comes in the life. For example, suppose you have wealth comes means it is not coming billions of money to you overnight. Don't think like that. Suppose you have no job, you will get a job. You are not comfortable with your lifestyle right now, what you are leading. You will get more better life what you are leading right now. Sarva Bhairakshana. Sometimes people are suffering with lot of fear. Fearlessness comes by the grace of Divine Mother by doing the puja on the Panchami day. Panchami, Panchabhutesi, Panchabhuta Shaktis, all the 5 elements energies are giving completely blessings to you. So everywhere the consciousness, no? Shall we limit at God only, here only God, this is only God? Shall we limit God like that? God is all pervading, God is supreme truth, God is benediction, God is everywhere in everything. So that's why the Sarva Bhairakshana, all kinds of the fears are disappeared by doing the puja to the Divine Mother on the Panchami day. 6th day is the Sashti. Sometimes you have dangerous people are giving hard time. You will get protection from the dangerous people. Unnatural circumstances, unnatural pains, problems, challenges, those things also going to be slowly disappear. How the clouds are just go away from the sky. Similarly, all kinds of the challenges will be just go away from the life by doing the puja on the 6th day after the new moon to the Divine Mother. 7th day is the Saptami, Mahasaraswati Devi Puja day. By doing the puja on the Saraswati day, that is the 7th day, Saptami day, this is not the regular Saptami, Maham Saptami. Maha means the greatest Saptami. In this Saptami day, when people do the puja to the Divine Mother, any newborn babies are going to come in their home, then definitely the newborn baby is going to be with the greatest blessing of Saraswati. Great yogas comes in their life. Yogas means there were so many yogas in the life. Good yogas are going to come by worshipping the Mahasaraswati day, Mahasaraswati Devi on Saptami day. Ashtami, Durgashtami, 8 varieties of the problems and challenges are subside by the grace of Durga Devi. All of you know already Durga Suktam. Every day chant Durga Suktam. Do the puja to the Sri Chakram. Offer prasadam, fruits or whatever the prasadam available for you. Like make some sweet pongal, offer Navaratri time sweet pongal to the Divine Mother and give the prasadam to all your friends and your family members. And do more sadhana, mantra sadhana, japam, dhyanam in front of the Sri Chakram. Sri Chakram is nothing but the cosmic energy. You are directly sitting in front of the Supreme Consciousness. That divine light effulgence enter into your heart, make your life absolutely purified and gloriful. Amma special love and affections to all of you on this special auspicious Durgashtami. We will continue this talk. Amma special blessings for all of you on this auspicious Navaratri time. I love you so much. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.